Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. I prepared the water for boiling in an 8-quart stock pot. It's good to use a nice big pot so the water won't cool as you're putting the matzo balls in. Now I'll wet my hands and form more matzo balls. When you drop them in, they sink and then they should float back up. You can make them any size you want if you want to make a little bit smaller. And it will boil for 1 hour covered. Our matzo balls have been cooking for 1 hour, boiling, and we have a nice pot full of beautiful matzo balls. You remove them with a slotted spoon. And you can store them in a dish in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve them. You can warm up some chicken broth and put them in the chicken broth and heat them through when you're ready to serve them. And serve a nice bowl of matzo ball soup. This recipe yields 12 matzo balls.